Hi everyone, we're here at Kayak Morris. Nag-camping may karon, but we have a problem. Rian forget to bring the matches or the lighter, so we don't have light for our bonfire. Good thing we have flashlight, no? Kaya flashlight na to ni, kaya ang flashlight kusog mo musiga ang bonfire. So ato ang kasigaan sa itong flashlight. Rian, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
Papa.
Itong flashlight. Here we go. It's burning. See? Kung hindi good, ninyo kalimtan ang flashlight. Pahala makalimot magdala sa inyo ang lighter. Ang flashlight dili kalimtan. Importante kayo ang flashlight sa atong kinabuhi.
Woo!
Karon na intriga na mo no. Unsang flashlight tani? Flash torch made by Wicked Laser. No? Palit nyo sa wickedlaser.com. So thank you for watching our video. This is Daddy Lake and Rian. Tell them.
Hi fans. Hi fans. Welcome to Rian Lake Adventures. We're in Morris, Illinois, and we're at next to this forest. Here's the river, and we kayak here. And here's our tent. Say hi, tent. And here's our fire. And the car, and Daddy's car is over there. Do you want to come with us? Please call Rian Lake Adventures.